Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss ETL testing interview of Randstad. So guys, let's start. Guys, when you are going to give an interview, uh, their interview questions. First question is the tell me about yourself. The one first question, almost any company, if taking the interview, then they will ask first question. Tell me about yourself. So we have so we should must prepare about these first questions because the first question is very important of your the previous working experience and your educational background. So very all are including in the first questions. So first question is very important. And guys, second question is what is your project? So in IT company, what you have done the project in your the previous organization, your current organization, you have clear about this project, and they can ask also the responsibilities about in this project. So project should be cleared. uh, and third question is what are the basic validation you do? So guys, in the ETL testing, most of the company will ask these questions. What are the basic validation you do? So, basic validation in the ETL testing first check the data type and data size and check the transformations logic before the execution. After the executing job, check the counts in the target sites and source side, and check the null records, check the duplicates data, and run the SQL query minus operator. So this kind of the very basic validation to check the source and target sites. So guys, fourth question is how much rate will you give in Unix out of 10? So guys, this question interviewer can quickly judge to you if in these questions. If they ask this kind of question, then you should answer more than 8, because most of the company are thinking if a rate he will give the rate or 8 or more than the 8 out of 10, then candidate have the good knowledge about the Unix command or SQL command. So same question is here, the SQL query is very important, very important when your source and target is the SQL database, is then SQL query is very important. If your source is the file format like the CSV and file based system, then their Unix command is very important. Okay. So your should we answer 8 more than 8 or 8 out of 10? It will give the good impressive to the interviewer then when they will ask this kind of question. Guys, sixth question is how many types of join? So mostly the four type of join. First one is the inner join. Second one left outer join, and third one is right outer join and full outer join. So mostly the four type of join. They can ask about also the what is the left outer join, what is the right outer join. So they can ask also questions. but I'm giving here the Randstad, all the means Randstad, which type of questions they will ask to the candidates. So I have just collected here. So so you have good preparation about these joins, and they can also ask about the case, suppose if you have two tables, and in there some records and there, so how many outputs will give when you do the left join. So this kind of questions they can ask. Okay, guys. And seventh question is, guys, how will you find the second maximum higher salary? So guys, I am just showing you, okay, how can we find the second highest salary. Okay, guys. So I'm just taking here the one table, select star from employee, select star from employee. So guys, how can we find the second highest salary? So if anybody want to ask to you, okay, how can you find this max salary? So you can use the max and salary, take as a column name salary from employee. Okay, guys. But this will give the first, but how can you find the second highest salary? So if is think logic, guys. If I take this query as an inner sub query, as a I can consider the sub query, and less than the max salary. I'm just writing here, then it will clear. Select guys, select max salary from employee. Okay, guys. Where sorry, guys, where salary less than, right, guys, less than which one? Select max salary from employee. I'm just taking in the brackets. Guys, it means it will give, it will firstly execute this query, then this will give the 60,000. After less than, just immediate less than this salary, it will give. So according this query, it will give the second highest salary. So 50,000 it will give. If anybody want to ask with you, if any interviewer ask, okay, how can you find the third highest salary, the your question, then simply it's very easy. You can take this one is as sub query. Okay, you select this one as a sub query, and take here, select max salary from employee, guys, employee, right, guys, where salary less than, guys, it this query will give the second highest salary, and less than, just immediate the less than this second highest salary it will give. Okay, so here the 20, you can find the fourth highest salary, fifth highest salary. So most of the interviewer ask without, don't use the hard coded like max row id and all those things. So how can you find? So this sub query will give the highest salary, whatever they can ask about the highest salary. Okay, guys. And my next question is, mm, mm, Okay, my next question is how to find the duplicates records, guys. This is the very important questions when you give the explanation about the validation. How do you validate with the target side to target side? So your question at the time, your at the time your answers make and means find the duplicates records, so they can ask this kind of questions. And so I'm just here giving you. So guys, taking table first, employee. Guys, here can you see the five employee number is 5 is the duplicate records. So I want just find the duplicate records. So select employee number, employee name, and salary. Okay, guys, and DEPTID. Okay, guys, from employee group by same as it is, you can put here employee name, salary, and DEPTID, department ID. This is the department ID having count star greater than 1. Guys, I'm here writing here here I have taken the 4 columns: employee number, employee name, and employee salary. So when you will do the group by na, right, then you have to take the all columns. Otherwise okay, you can take also the 1 column, but means how many columns you have taken in the after the select, then you have to also the write columns names also in the, after the group by. So here having count is star 1, which means कि how many records more than 1, how many duplicates records is more than 1. So here guys, 5 employee number is 5 is the more than 1. Okay, but here I can see the 1 record, 2 records, 3 records is the employee number is 5, so 3 records is duplicate. So if any interviewer can ask to you, okay, how many duplicates records more than 2, so more than 2 you can 2 here put it. And also, so fifth employee number is fifth, have taken the more than 2 duplicates records, right? Okay, guys, next question is how to find the distinct records. Okay, so guys, this is the my table, and they just want, yeah, how many distinct records. So guys, no issue, select use the distinct command, distinct, and simply put here star from employee. Okay, guys, then it will give the, sorry guys, there may can select star, select. Okay, distinct is wrong, guys, distinct. Okay, guys, here the 6 rows is the distinct record. Okay, guys, next question is what is the difference between the union and union all? Guys, this question is very important. Most of the times, interviewer they ask most of the interviewers they ask this question: what is the major difference between the union and union all? So, guys, I'm just giving you the one example: union and union all. Guys, I'm just taking here the two tables, okay? First, okay, sorry. Okay, this is the one table, and I'm taking here the one of also the table EMP. Okay, guys. Here I have the taken the two tables. Union union means it will give in output a distinct record. It will give only the distinct record, but union all it can give it will give the duplicate record also. Means there is the major difference. Union is give the distinct record only, and union all will give the duplicate records if have in the port table. Okay, so let's see, guys. Here I have sorry guys, I have taken here the distinct only. I'm not taking the distinct only. I'm taking here one, this one, and this one. Okay, guys. Okay, this is my two tables. Okay, sorry. Okay, guys, this is the my two tables. One is the employee and one is the EMP. So, guys, you can see here the 8 rows is here and 8 rows also here. Same record is here, but I'm just taking the union all first. Select select the start from employee union all. Select start from EMP, guys. Here only I've taken. So here you can see the in the output 16 rows. I got the 16 records. Here you can see the duplicates records also has come. Okay, guys. So union all will give it merge the data, it merge the records from the both tables, and also give the reflected the duplicates records. But if I take here only the union, I'm not taking union all. I'm here taking the union. Here, guys, amazing. Here only give the distinct record. So there is a major difference in the union and union all. Okay, guys. My next question is, guys, what is the difference between the left join and left outer join? So this question is there is no difference. There is no difference, but most of the interviewer ask just your knowledge, just your IQ level. Then they ask yeah, how what is the difference in this joint. So guys, I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, then please motivate to me, and then I will come with the next video and next interview of organization. Okay, thank you very much, guys.